Hey everybody, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to share with you how can you set up GoHighLevel's round-robin calendar and ensure that you have a great customer experience inside your business. Now, there are multiple industries and use cases where you can use the round-robin calendar. For instance, if you have a barber shop and you have multiple staff members working through different shifts, you can actually use the round-robin calendar to ensure maximum coverage, or you can also split up bookings based on custom settings. For instance, if you hire a new staff member and you want to make sure that you give maximum haircut bookings to that person, you can actually set that up in the distribution settings for the round-robin calendar. So let's dive into GoHighLevel and see how we can set that up. Alright, so to set this up, you have to head over to calendars in your sub account and then click on calendar settings. Then click on create calendar and then you have to choose the round-robin calendar from here. So I just added the calendar name here as well as the custom URL, and you can set these settings up based on your availability and meeting duration. Then the last thing we have to do here is make sure that we select the team members. So I have these 3 staff members that I want to add, so I'm just going to select these one by one. And once this is done, you can click on advanced settings so we can set up the round-robin customization. Now under meeting details, you have to scroll down a little bit where you will see appointment for distribution. So we have 2 different options right here. The first one is optimize for availability. So what happens in this one is, let's say these staff members are working through different hours and you want to ensure maximum coverage so that if a new lead is coming in to book an appointment, they have more options or more time slots to choose from. So in that case, optimize for availability is the best option. And if you want to check what's the availability for these staff members, if you want to set that up yourself, what you can do is head over to settings, then click on my staff, and then here you will be able to see the staff profiles. Now let's say I want to check the availability for Sam here. I will click on edit, then scroll a little bit down and then click on user availability. You can set up their shift timings and all of that, and once you are satisfied with that, just hit save here. So coming back to the round-robin calendar, once you are sure about the availability for your staff, now there are a few things that we can change around here. So as you can see that against each staff member, we have this option that what is the priority for this person. So if I do high priority, what will happen is that if these staff members are working in the same shift, the calendar will prefer this person. So this person will end up getting more bookings. So this could be a perfect scenario. Let's say if Sam is a new hire and we want to give him more bookings so he can be trained faster, we can give him high priority here so that he gets the most amount of bookings if he has an overlap in the availability. Then we also have options to choose from. So let's say we can do full address for this person. Now, of course, if they are working in the same location, you would do the same for all of them. But let's say if we do offer like an online program with the staff member or something along those lines, you can also select like Zoom links or Google Meet and then add in the URL for that person. Now let's talk about the second option, which is optimize for equal distribution. So this is perfect if your staff member has a complete overlap and you want to give everybody a fair chance that each of them gets equal leads or equal amount of bookings. This is perfect in that scenario. And of course, if you have multiple staff members, you can add them here. And then you can also select if they are located physically to give that service, or is there an online link for that. Once you're satisfied with these settings, you can go through the other settings that are here, like availability of the calendar overall, if you want to add in forms or prepayments, and then you can also customize things. So everything is pretty much the same as of the other calendars in GoHighLevel. The only thing that we had to go through was the round-robin settings. Alright, so that was all about this video. I used an example of a barbershop, but of course this goes across multiple industries and you can make use of it in the best way possible to ensure great customer experience. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below and we will get back to you.